In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom bullet points in WordPress. By the end, you'll know how to add a list, style it so the bullets feel uniquely yours, and publish those changes to your site. Start by opening the site editor in your WordPress dashboard and loading your home template. This brings you into the visual editor where you can work directly on your page layout. Click into the spot where you want your custom list to appear. Open the block inserter, then use the search field to find the list block. When it appears, select it to add a fresh list to the page. Begin typing your list items. Press Enter to add new points, and build out the content you need. Keep the block as a list. If you see any prompt to convert or transform it, ignore that for now. We want the native list so the bullets are easy to style and remain accessible. With the list block selected, look at the toolbar above it and the settings panel on the right. This is where we'll shape the look and feel of your bullets. Expand the color section. Adjust text to set the color of your list items. This also controls the bullet color, so it's a quick way to make markers match your brand. Then choose background to apply a subtle highlight behind the text. A soft background can make each bullet feel like a tag or label, giving your list a custom designed look without any code. If your theme provides list styles, explore them now. Some themes offer variations that change how markers are drawn, such as filled versus plain. If you don't see extra styles, no problem. The combination of text color and background highlight already delivers a distinctive bullet style that remains readable and consistent across devices. As you fine-tune, click directly on different parts of the list to ensure you're editing the block itself, not just a single line. Small adjustments, like choosing a stronger text color or a lighter background, can make a big difference in contrast and clarity. When you're happy with the look, open the Block Options menu and choose Duplicate. This creates a reusable copy you can move elsewhere on the page or keep as a reference for future sections. It's a simple way to stay consistent without rebuilding styles from scratch. Finally, save your work. Click Save, review what's being updated, and then select Launch to push the changes live. That's it. Your custom bullet points are now styled, saved, and published.